leaving things and I stopped doing it. So today we are going to be leaving a bunch of fruit in vodka and see what happens. I feel like I'm just gonna do a bunch of series on these. I'm gonna do leaving a bunch of stuff in vodka to see what happens. If you guys wanna see what happens, stay tuned. Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? Are things gonna explode? Are they gonna go moldy? What's gonna happen? Science! All the science people already know. They're like, we already know what happens. Well, I don't, bitch, so. I got my jars. It already stinks. At Dollarama for $1. The jars are only $1. Just please, ow. So if you're curious, just like I am, stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys want to see more of these. And I think I'm gonna leave them for a week and see what happens. And then we're gonna try the vodka and try the fruit in it. Is that a bad idea? I don't know, stay tuned. You guys are all zoomed in. Hey. First jar, strawberries, right? Because who doesn't want strawberries in their life? I mean, I'm not a big fan of fruit. I don't care for fruit that much, but strawberries are okay, aren't they? I should eat more fruit. Okay, I'm gonna do like a slice action, you know, dump it in. Yes. Aren't there like mother ones, like big ones? This one has a lot of seeds on it. Ew, look how many seeds. This one has, it's probably spiders. Why are we cutting off the tops? Like, does that even matter? You know what, I'm sick of this. Let's just, strawberry. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Me putting it on my windowsill. That's cute. We're obsessed. Cute. This is fun. What is that? Oh, it's a little flower. Oh my God. Do you see him? Next, we got peaches. And as I was getting the peaches, somebody said, those are nectarines to their mom. And it questioned my entire existence. I was like, these are peaches. And they said peaches on them. But this little kid was like, Mom, we learned in school that those aren't peaches. I'm questioning. People alike. Is this a peach or is it a nectarine? It literally doesn't say. I was like reading it. All it says is California. I mean, I get my peaches out in Georgia, so that's not California, so this is probably a nectarine. I don't know what we're gonna do here. I know there's pits in them. Yeah, we got the pit. I feel you. I feel you, pit. I'm gonna go boom. This is so fun. Me making my morning soup. Okay. She just went in there, eh? Yum, I wanna eat one of these. I don't know why I'm like wanting to eat fruits. I know people like infuse vodka with stuff, but I know that's like probably what's gonna happen. But I wanted to like start fun with this series and do like fruits. I can't do anything with these nails. Just peachy. We have 2 left over. Just like smashing it on the wall. And then the last fruit we have is a kiwi. I love kiwi. I love kiwi so much. So I was thinking, get the sticker off. I was thinking of just going like that. I'm revolutionary in this channel. Whoop-bam. I know I'm not washing these. The vodka will wash it. Like the vodka will wash it. That's probably good. We'll keep this one and eat it. No, we won't. Look at these jars of fruits. Oh my gosh, we are having a good grand old time. Ow, ah! I look like Susie Homemaker. Why do I want a picture of this? People are gonna be like, what the hell are you doing? I'm just gonna post this on my story. So if you follow me on Snap and you saw like just random jars of fruit and it says, this is my life now. So now you know why. Okay, now for the fun part. This was $52. The world's #1 vodka? Is that real? Really? This is the world's #1, like, just give this vodka a round of applause. Like, good for you, sis. My friend can pop this top with their mouth. Me and my friends don't drink it a lot at all. Well, I can't be like him. I'm like drooling. Well, he's fun, I'm not. Okay, ready? I want this off. Ah! I'm taking this off because it's so much easier to pour. Okay, ready? I hope we have enough vodka for everything. Let's do a little bit in each. Oh my. Oh. Eesh. We want the strawberry one to be like strawberry. We're gonna use this whole thing. No, I don't think we will. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it stinks. Oh, it smells like Friday night in here. And it's only Wednesday. Oh, what the Okay, this, I am a genius. Okay, I got 2 different sizes of jars. okay, by accident. And I put the biggest one with the peaches just by instinct. I'm just like, my intellect, out of this world. Out of this world. Infused. 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 It's already bubbling. Ah! Ew, there's already a, ugh. So there's a bug in there. That's why you should wash your fruit. These look cute. So I'm gonna stick these into here. Wait, well, I'll show you guys an up close. So here are the peaches. Here are the kiwis and the strawberries. And we still have a fun night. I will see you guys in a week, maybe. We'll see what happens. Right now it is 4:49 on September 1st. All the canning stuff was out and I was like, oh, I should be canning things. I was like, never mind, I'm gonna soak it in vodka. It's time. Let's go get them. Ew. Okay, ew, this is what we're looking at. Let's bring these in and examine them closer up, but I'm probably gonna gag. Ew. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, this look, hold on, let me get the light right on it. If you guys want a tutorial on this look, this beautiful eye look, it is linked in the description. Why am I talking like this? Anyway, it's a link in the description box, but it looks like this. I did a whole tutorial and a giveaway. I don't know if the giveaway is going on by the time you're watching this, but I did a whole tutorial on it. Link is down below if you want to get this eye look. Anyway, this looks so disgusting to me. I don't know why I did this video. This looks so bad. I tap out. I feel like this would be better if I like had a few drinks, but we're into the strawberry one first. This looks absolutely atrocious. The color of the strawberries like all went into the vodka and it's like literally strawberry vodka, but like just strawberry vodka. There's gonna be like no sugar in it. Well, there's natural sugar. Anyway, I'm meaning like it's just not gonna be like sweet. I'm thinking it's like gonna be a strawberry martini. So it is Wednesday, September 15th. Why did it make that noise? Yum! Sis, this doesn't even smell like vodka. It smells like strawberries. Before it smelled like we're gonna try the juice first. Okay, that's dangerous. That's so good. It doesn't even taste like vodka really anymore. Okay, we gotta try strawberry. Why did she get all pale? Me? Me after 2 weeks? Me sitting in my juices for more than 2 weeks? I'm probably gonna get messed up by that. Okay, it's not that bad. These are gonna be a hit at my next party. I was expecting them to be a lot worse. Literally. Okay, let's move on to the kiwi. Okay, kiwi. What? What was that? Why did it do that? Why? Shots fired. Like, what is happening? Oh. Girl, no. No, Shixie. No, you don't want this. Oh my god, there's shit like floating in it too. These look nasty. I don't know why I kept the skin on. Laziness. Oh my god, that smells like when my drunk uncle used to try to hug me when I was a child. Like, that is like not cute. Don't do kiwi. Girl. Ew, this is disgusting. This specifically went to waste. Ew, she's like dripping and pulsating. Me. I'm like worried about this one, actually. I'm just gonna eat this again because at this point, does it really matter if it frickin' smells like that? We're actually good. There's no way I can eat that. There's no way in hell. No, there's no way. I will literally pay someone to eat. I will literally pay someone to eat a full kiwi. Oh wow, that's so disgusting. That's a waste of vodka. This vodka, we're still gonna eat. I'm just gonna, you know, put this in my alcohol cabinet closet. I don't have an alcohol cabinet. I just put it in my pantry, but where my little alcohol stash is, I'm just gonna put this there and it looks cute. Pop a strawberry, you know, if you wanna have a little buzz. This fucking garbage. Now we're gonna move on to the peaches. I don't know where these peaches came from, but these peaches came from Georgia. I'll tell you that. I feel like I'm getting drunk. I feel like I'm getting what? Yeah, I just feel like there was so much concentrated vodka in that strawberry that it like hit me. Came out of nowhere. Ow. I'm scared of that popping. Me. Sorry, I can't saying me. I can't. That is wretched. That's like, that smells like rotting fruit. It's like wine now. We're made wine. It's rotting. This is literally rotten peaches. They're rotten! I'm already dreading this. This is not cute. I'm gonna take a gulp. I'm gonna take a gulp. Everyone's like, we're waiting. This smells so bad. It actually smells like rotten fruit. It smells like when you're cleaning out your, you buy the fruit for the week because you want to be healthy, and then all you do is eat Taco Bell throughout the week, so you have to like at the end of the week throw away all your rotten fruit. That's what this smells like and looks like, to be honest. Okay, there's not too much vodka taste. It kind of just tastes, what does that taste remind me of? Not a peach. It doesn't remind me of a peach. It kind of reminds me of like beer, like Pilsner or something like that. You want me to try one of these peach? Taste test Tuesday. Ew. Girl, that's rotten. Oh my God, this is disgusting. I'm gonna take all the peaches out of here and then just like offer this vodka to someone that comes over and be like, peach vodka. Me making martini, me making everyone drinks at the next party. I just realized I'm probably gonna get sick. I swallowed that. I'm a trooper. It doesn't taste that bad. But I should Google if this is safe to do. Don't do as I don't know if this is safe to eat. The best one, the strawberries. The worst one's the kiwi. Never put kiwi in vodka. Don't ruin your vodka. I'm mad. That's not cute. That's kiwi abuse. We don't like that. That's not in our vibe. That's so disgusting. I don't know what's gonna happen with these. Don't ask me. I feel like I'm actually getting tipsy because those are so concentrated in vodka. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more of these leaving things in alcohol, maybe other alcohol, maybe whiskey, maybe other items, then thumbs up this video so I know that you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.